Okay, you can see this small garden spade, and this is a small garden fork, and also is small garden rake.
Yes. Yeah. And the fork.
Yeah.
Small garden fork. And for this double head, hoe and fork. So this one, this is small travel. You can see this material is A3 steel.
Yeah.
And for the handle is hard wooden, and this part is foam. It's very anti-slip and comfortable.
Yeah, the foam color just can be black.
No, yeah. You can OEM your color, you like color for this foam. This one just black, and you can do any color you like. And for this fork as a set.
Yeah, this can be with one set.
Yes, you can place order in one set.
Yeah, together with this, it can be a 3 pieces set garden tool.
Yes. And what's the MOQ for this set?
That has to be 2,000 cents.
Yes, 2,000 cents.
Can do your OEM packaging and color.
Yes, for this foam color and for the surface treatment is paint coating.
Normally for the garden tool set packaging, it is color box or with plastic bag and plus a color card on the head.
Yes.
Also will be a color card with tie on the handle end, like this. This is the color card with a tie the handle end hole. You can see. Okay.
Okay, for the next type, you can see this side.
Yeah, with same handle.
Yes. And for this handle, the material is you can see this part is ABS. Yeah. And PP.
PP material.
Yes, PP. This handle is PP. This part, the handle material is PP. Double color, you can see this part and here. We can OEM the handle color, and the MOQ is 2,000 pieces. And then you can see the surface is very beautiful. The white and the black paint coating.
Yeah, for the small garden tools with the same handle tag, it can be with two sets. You can see, we can you can buy it as a two set. Also, you can buy it separately, one piece.
Yes.
You can see, one set normally will be same type handle. You can see this is one set. This is one set, same type.
And for you can do this handle. This handle is this handle material is PP and PP. This green part is PP and the purple color is PPR. And for this rig, the material is A3 steel. And for for this one, our MQ will be 2,000 pieces at least. Yeah, and you can see different color and type handle.
Okay, let me introduce you this tab. You can see the handle is very nice. It is PP plus TPR outside. The TPR material is soft. You can see it's very comfortable for holding and anti-slip. Also, you can OEM the handle color. The inside, you can do green color or other colors, and the TPR material also you can do any color as you like. This is a 361C Pantone color number, and the blade material it is A3 steel, and the surface you can see the holy blade surface it is a green color Teflon. It's very nice. You can see. If you like, also we can do the black color. And for the packaging, normally we do a color card with tie on the handle and hole. You can see like this. And the color card, you can do your own artwork. Just send your artwork to us. We will printing that accordingly. You can see the color card with two sides. One side is color, and the back side it is white with black. You can see, and this is a 3 pieces set. You can see with same handle, just
Different.
two spade with different ways, and this is a fork. Yeah. You can buy it one piece separately, or you can buy it as a two set. Two set packaging, normally it is a color box.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
Okay, let's see the next one. I think this one is very beautiful for those painted flowers. And this shower material is A3 steel. And for the handle, this part is PP. And this part is foam. And here is PP. For this foam handle, it's very comfortable and anti-slip. You can see here, this one says, it is another color. This purple color is also PP, and this part is foam, and this green color is PP material. And you can do for the handle. We can OEM your light color for this PP part, this foam part, and for this flower, you can send your artwork. We can also print as your artwork. Yeah. Okay. For this shower and the fork hole, our MOQ is 3,000 pieces. Yeah, because this flower is so beautiful, and you can as a gift for your women or the children. And for the next one.
Okay, how about the packaging?
This packaging is general is carton. Yeah, color
card with tie like this.
Color card with tie like this one. For the card, we can as you can send your artwork. we can print your logo, and on the back can print your code, barcode. Yeah. Okay, for the small garden sets, we have introduced many sets like this set and this set, and many different type and colors. We can OEM the handle color. You can see this foam and the PP and the TPR
PP
handle.
and TPR handle. Yeah,
And,
this is the PP material.
Yes.
And this is the wood
Foam
handle with
and
foam.
foam.
Yeah. You just send us your required tab. We will send the prices to you according your requirement.
Yes.
If you order the different tabs one time, maybe the MOQ can be a little less.
Yes. 1,000 pieces.
Will
One
be okay.
set. Yeah, one set.
Okay.
And
Normally for the small garden tools, the packaging it is color card with tag like
Yes.
this, and also will be a plastic bag on the handle
yes.
to protect the head surface, avoid destroying.
Yes. Okay. Let's introduce other garden tools.
The sauce.
So, yes.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's introduce the garden soap. And you can see the whole package. It's colors sleeve. Yeah, color sleeve. And for this soap material is 65 mm, and for the handle material is PVC,
ABS with
ABS
TPR.
and TPR.
Yeah.
Yes, this green part is ABS and this yellow part is TPR. And this have protect the teeth. And you can hear we can print your logo on the blade, printing all leather. Yeah. And for the package, it's colors sleeve. You can send your artwork. We can print your logo and some you want in text on the color sleeve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally the hand sauce packaging it is color sleeve.
Yes. And
Just with different size
yes.
and different handle tabs.
Yes.
Okay, next one, let me show you the pruning saw. You can see the blade, it has a blunt tabs, you can see. And for the teeth, we can do 2 size grinding teeth, and also we can do 3 size grinding teeth by machine.
Yes.
And also some customers need cheap price, maybe the grinding teeth by labors. And also we can do the punch teeth. The punch teeth price will be a little cheaper than the grinding teeth.
Yes.
And for the handle, this type it is a wood handle and under wood surface with a varnish to protect our handles, to protect our hands. And the packaging, it is also the color sleeve. You can see the color sleeve. Also, you can do your own artwork for the color wheel with your own color and with your brand and printing the product name and the product size.
Yes.
You can see. And on the blade, normally we can printing some information on the
yes,
blade.
like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally with source specifications and the company's name.
Welcome to our living show.
Yeah, and for the saw material, it is 65 mm steel.
Yes. And for the saw, our MOQ is 2,000 pieces. Is okay?
For the hand saw, MOQ can be 1,200 pieces will be okay.
Yeah, and for this quantity, we can OEM the handle color and print OEM printing your logo, OEM logo, and the handle color. Okay, for the next one, for this one, this saw is a folding saw, and you can see the package is a sliding card. You can see this folding saw is a sliding card.
Yeah, this is a folding saw. You can see the folding saw length. It is 330 mm. Also have 300 length.
Yes, and here is a button. You can open easily.
Yeah, with different button type, but same function.
Yes.
Just for holding.
This part is plastic and this is metal. This part is metal material. And for this handle material is PP and ABS and TPR. For this yellow part is ABS, and for the black part is TPR. It's very, you can hear, it's very anti-slip.
Yeah, and for the blade teeth,
Is this one is
for the saw blade teeth, also we do the grinding teeth and punch teeth. For grinding teeth, we have 2 size grinding teeth and 3 size grinding teeth.
Yes.
And the punch teeth press will be a little cheaper than the grinding teeth. And for the handle, you can do your own color. Just the quantity maybe need a little more. 2,000 pieces will be okay.
Yes.
To OEM your handle color.
Yes.
And for the folding saw packaging, you can see it is sliding card.
Yeah, like this one. Just sliding card. And for the sliding card, you can send your artwork to us. We can print your logo and the product and size and picture on the card. And you can see we can ladder or printing your logo on the blade like this. You can see. And the folding saw. And see the page, trading card. Okay.
Okay, so next one, let us introduce the watering can. You can see this is a plastic watering can. The color, normally we do green color.
Yes.
Just with different green color. You can see this is a dark green and this is a bright light green. This normal type watering can. The material, it is PP material.
Yes.
Just with different thickness for the plastic. When you send us the inquiry, we will mark the weight and the PP thickness for your reference. It will affect the prices.
Yes, you can see this is 5 liter.
Yeah.
And we can do the different volume size.
Yeah.
Size. And you can see here it's easy watering for the flowers or other plants. And okay, let's see the next one. Welcome to our living show. We are introduced the garden hand sprayer and other garden tools. If you have any demand, welcome to leave your email address. We would like to send our catalog for your reference and the price for your checking. Yeah, okay. Let's go on. For this hand sprayer, the material is for this one it is PP and PP and ABS.
Let me show this. The material, it is PP and PE. You can see the nozzles, it is a copper nozzle here. And this is the button to control the watering flows. This is the button, you can see. And with different size.
Yeah, this one is
1.5
liters.
And have 2 and 3. You can see normally we do the green color with some information on the bottle.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to OEM your color, the MOQ has to be 3,000 pieces. You can see. This is a pressure watering can.
Yes, and this can you can see here is the pressure. Welcome to our living show. We are introduce our garden hand sprayer for you.
Okay, so next one, maybe we can show some sprayers.
Yes.
Okay, let me show you some hose nozzles for you. You can see all the hose nozzles. We also can call the spray guns with green color. This is a customer OEM the green color. The Pantone color number, it is 361C Pantone color number. And for the hose nozzle, it is have 7 functions. You can see we print the 7 functions on here. You can see angel, jet, shower. You can see, and mist, flat, also with soaker. You can see. You can see, and the material have 3 plastic material. This part is ABS material, and this part it is TPR material, and this part it is PP, and this part it is ABS material. You can OEM your color. This part can OEM your color. And normally the TPR part we do the black. This part with the black. And this part can OEM your color. And this is a button to make the pattern. You can see. This is the button we can through it. And this is a button to fix fix. You can see fix. Then we don't need leave the hand to make it flowing. You can see. And for the nozzle, it is a Europe type screw. If you have different requirements, you can tell us. Normally, we have two standards, the American type and the Europe type for the screws. This is a quick nozzles, quick release nozzles, you can see. Currently, most customers will buy this type with the European type screws, nozzles, you can see. Both the same nozzle. Yeah. And the Nathan, it is a copper material, yes. And some with the plastic material. Yeah. And the function, normally we do the 7 function, also have 7, 8, and 9 function.
Welcome to our living show.
We are introducing some garden tools, such as hose nozzles, head shears, loppers, and pruning shears.
Yes.
Some watering cans and garden rakes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And some saws. If you have any interesting, welcome to leave your email address.
Yeah.
Would like to send our price list for your checking.
Also, you can follow us. We will discuss the information online.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any question, welcome to ask in if you like.
Okay, maybe we can show some rigs.
Yes. Okay, for this one is a small rig. And for this rig material is A3 steel. The surface treatment is paint coating. Yes. And for the rig color 10 OEM, and this rig MOQ is 3,000 pieces, and for the material we have
Welcome to our living show. We are introducing the garden rigs, and we just finished the hose nozzles, loppers, and head shears introducing.
Yes, now we are introducing the rig.
Yeah.
And for this rig, material is A3 material, and the surface is paint coating. And for the color, we can OEM, and the OEM quantity is 3,000 pieces. Okay, you can. This is 11 piece, and for the next one, this is the plastic rig, and this material is PP.
Yeah, PP
yes.
Material.
Yes, and this green color. Welcome to our living show. We are introducing the garden tools for you, and we have introduced the garden pruners, hedge shears, and some loppers. Now introducing the rig for you, and this plastic rig. Our MOQ is 3,000 pieces, and the general the package is color stick.
Yeah, color sticker.
Color stick. You can send your artwork. We can OEM the stick, print your want content, and you can see this one. This
different type
rig, and for
also with PP material.
Yes, and a different teeth number and type. You can do for
This is 20 teeth. I think this is 20, 23.
23. Yes, 23 teeth.
Yeah. For the rig packaging, normally we will with the color sticker on here or on here.
Yes.
Yeah, and also we can with a color card with tag. I think, yeah, like this, color card with tag here.
Yes.
Yeah, and for the rig, normally it connects the wood handle.
Yes, wood handle.
And also
metal.
fiberglass handle,
Yes, like
fiberglass handle and steel handle. Yeah.
Handle, like this one. Yeah.
This is a telescopic rig.
Yes, and the handle is metal.
Steel, zinc plated.
Yes.
Let me show you. This is a telescopic rig. You can see. This is the button. Control the telescopic and opening and closing like this. You can see.
Yes. This long rig material is A3 steel, and
The surface it is zinc plated.
yes, zinc plated.
Yeah, and this plastic part can OEM your color, but normally we do black or red color. And
Yes.
On the end also with a plastic part. Normally we do the black color like this.
Yes, you can see this rig.
Yeah, this also can be with the fiberglass handle or steel handle.
Yes, or the wooden handle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. And this rig material is also A3 steel, and the surface treatment, is
Power painted.
Yes, power paint coating, and this is small size.
Yeah, the different rigs.
Different teeth size and different material, plastic rig
steel rig.
And or A3 steel rig.
Okay, that's all the rig information we introduced.
Yes. If you have any type like welcome to leave message to us. We would like to send the price list for your checking. And
okay, let me introduce one by one. Today we introduced the garden tools.
Yes.
Okay, first one we introduced some shears.
Yes, shears.
Some garden shears.
Like this one.
Yeah. This is some garden shears.
Yes, different handle and
different shear blade, different
yes.
handle.
Yes.
Normally the packaging it is sliding card.
Sliding card, that's one. And the sliding card, you can send your artwork like this one. We can print your logo and for the some and your barcode. Welcome to our living show. We are introducing the garden tools for you. Some more shares and any interesting item. Welcome to leave your email address. We would like to send our price list for your checking. Okay, let's go on.
Okay, some small garden tools.
There's some small garden tools. You can see
Like
here.
this. Yeah.
The bag, garden small tools, some fork, shovel, and the hoe. Yes.
Okay. And some loppers and head shears.
Like this one. And this package is a punch bag. And
telescopic handle
yes.
shears and telescopic handle loppers.
Yes, different handle.
And the rated tab loppers.
Yes.
This is the rated tab lopper.
Yes. And
a telescopic handle.
Yes.
Yeah, this red is also telescopic handle.
Which one lopper do you like? Welcome to leave your message in here. We would like to use for you.
And some watering can.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a watering can.
Yes, watering cans and hand sprayers. And some garden soap. You can see this one is a folding soap, and the package is sleeping card, and the handle is ABS and TPR, and we can laser your logo on the blade. You can see here. And
Okay, that's all the information we introduced this time. If you have interest in any gardening tools, welcome to leaving your message or email to us.
yes.
We will send the catalog or prices to you for checking. Okay, thanks for your watching. We
Yes.
will see you next time.
See you next time.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
关了。